Hello everyone, and welcome to Joe Awesome One channel. Thank you all for being with me, the builders next door too. I'm still going to carry on anyway. I can add some music to this one. And this is a shout out, not the song I was going to do. I'm going to do that once I've learnt it, because I don't really know that one at all. And it's a song by U2, which I forget the name. But it's awesome. I've read the lyrics and I really want to do it. This one, however, I do know a little bit. I'm still going to sing it differently because that's me. It's Up Where We Belong by Joe Cocker and Jennifer Warnes. So here we go. I'm totally doing the chorus differently. So here we go. I'll just let them drill their role. Cool, I hope the visual's good. Here we go. Who knows what tomorrow brings? In a world few out survive. All I know is the way I feel. When it's real, I keep it alive. The road is long, there are mountains in our way, but we climb a step every day. Love lifts us up where we belong, where the eagles cry on a mountain high. Love lifts us up where we belong, far from the world below, up where the clear winds blow. Some hang on to used to be, live their lives looking behind. All we have is here and now, all our lives out there to find. The road is long, there are mountains in our way, but we climb a step every day. Love lifts us up where we belong, where the eagles cry on a mountain high. Love lifts us up where we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear winds blow. Time goes by, no time to cry. Life's you and I, alive today. Love lifts us up where we belong, where the eagles cry on a mountain high. Love lifts us up where we belong, far from the world we know, where the clear winds blow. Love lifts us up where we belong, where the eagles cry on a mountain high. Love lifts us up where we belong. I love you so much, Genevieve, and everyone goes to check out Genevieve's live streams and send lots and lots of love. Have a wonderful day.